In a quiet room with a glowing screen, drawing lines of a future unseen. Every curve and every mold I make is a promise I'm willing to take. My mind still runs, carving dreams where the metal hums. From kettle lines to the factory floor, I keep building something more. I'm waiting for the next design, another chance, another sign. From prototype to reality, this is more than work to me. I won't stop, I won't pretend. Every failure makes me bend, but I'll stand again in time, waiting for the next design.
Slow rock emotion of stone with male vocal, tempo 780 BPM. Soft electric guitar, piano, lockdown, and ambient pad. I want top of hopeful chord. Theme about engineering design, CAD modeling, CNC machining, prototype heading, and waiting for new opportunity. Perpetuate.